How's everybody doing? Okay, so this is the last update before the 381 final, when she'll be completed. And so thanks for being patient and following along. I'm trying to keep it brief because I know a lot of this has been done before, but let me just quickly give you an overview of what I've done up until now. Okay, so as you can see, I've installed a TCS WOW sound motherboard and sound decoder. It has 4 keep alives on it, which I like. I like the keep alives. Now I know some people say, well, you don't really need them. They're only for dirty track. But every layout has dirty track eventually. And you don't get any glitches in the sound, and it's, the locomotive runs flawlessly, right? Okay, so now what I also did was I built this speaker enclosure out of 40 thou evergreen styrene plastic. I built it with very low tolerances with 2 speakers in mind, which are these speakers, by the way. Super Sonic small speakers by TDS, 8 ohm, 1 watt. Initially I wanted to use 2 of these. I happen to have them around, but this frame by Kato will not accommodate these easily, and I didn't want to start modifying that or taking any more weight out of the chassis because I'd already taken a chunk out of the bottom fuel tank area where I revised the tank to the prototype. So anyway, the sound, in my opinion, is the best sound I've ever heard in an HO locomotive. So, I mean, I thought my BC Rail Atlas one sounded really good, but when I heard this EMD, and you know how EMDs are, they sound sweet, this thing blew me away. And so I'm pretty pleased with that. Imagine a lock sound version 5. I heard there's even more depth of sound in those, which I will be installing in the Jeep 9 build that follows this one. So anyway, I just want to say, really fun time so far. Things have worked out. I haven't had too many problems. Really looking forward to the final. And just want to say I really appreciate you tuning in. And thanks for all the views, and we'll see you soon on the final, okay? Bye.